We're at SaskPower's annual supplier information session in Saskatoon. This is an opportunity for us to bring leaders from across SaskPower. This is a chance for us to share our plans, share our work opportunities, and get feedback, important feedback from our suppliers.
Well, at Breck, we love working with SaskPower. You know, we've worked with clients from across Canada, and SaskPower, they stand out, they're different. They truly partner with the companies that they work with and help them succeed and grow organically. You know, they are such a treat to work with, and we couldn't be happier.
SaskPower has always had an in-depth program and an in-depth way of looking at local supplier engagement. And SaskPower has always been transparent about presenting opportunities for suppliers and always been helpful in developing suppliers and working with suppliers to meet their needs.
SaskPower's approach to local supplier engagement is built on an ancient tradition of talking to people and build an understanding, and then it allows people to plan things out.
Our approach to local supplier engagement is very active. We are on the ground, we're in the shops, we're all around the province.
Supporting locals, this is where we create local jobs and local economy, and I think SaskPower understands that so well, and they have been so positive, so supportive. I couldn't have asked for anything better.
This is our 70th year in business. We've been working for SaskPower for as long as I can remember. The growth of our company is directly related with the growth of SaskPower and how they do engage the local market. For example, we've bought equipment specifically to meet the needs of some of their hydro requirements. Because they were able to share the direction that they were going, we were able to go out and source equipment that would meet the needs so that work didn't have to leave the province.
SaskPower has been an absolute champion with supplier relationships, but specifically supplier diversity. So the way that we work together is SaskPower has almost pushed us. We are trying to champion, especially Crown Corps and the largest buyers in the province, to take a focus on how they support women-owned businesses. And SaskPower took that challenge and has made it a reality in the work that they're doing day in and day out.
SaskPower has a dedicated procurement team that are very involved in supporting Indigenous businesses to get to the place that they need to be qualified contractors and suppliers for SaskPower.
SaskPower has been fundamentally impactful to our organization. We've existed for a little over 8 years now. STC Industrial Group of Companies is wholly owned by the 7 nations of the Saskatoon Tribal Council. So being an Indigenous-owned group of companies, being able to work with client partners like SaskPower has been absolutely tantamount to our success.
There's a lot of procurement professionals in the province who are, trying to actually make change from procurement team up to executive. SaskPower started executive and said this is a commitment we're making, and now the team is bringing that to life.
Our local suppliers never let us down. You're in the thick of it together. You're in the province together. You share goals, you share values. I think that is the definition of resiliency.